Finally, some Friday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin in Jasper with Chris Dudalski celebrating birthday number 1. Happy birthday.
And it's a second birthday celebration for Amelia Charles. Amelia is in Carthage.
And we've got Millie Brisbane celebrating number 5 in McCune, and it says the family loves you. Happy birthday, Millie.
All right, in Columbus, Ainsley Hale is 7 strong this year. Ainsley is a first grader at Park Elementary. Birthday wishes coming with love from Mom, Dad, and Jax.
And we've got Whitley Stone celebrating a birthday today as well. Happy birthday, Whitley.
All right, Tesla Tinsley celebrating birthday number 10, and Tesla is up in Fort Scott.
And Josie Johnson celebrating number 11 over in Fort Scott as well. Happy birthday.
Heading over to Humboldt to celebrate a birthday number 11 with Kinley Bond, with love from Grandma and Grandpa Bond.
And Cale Coombs celebrating birthday number 13 in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Cale.
That's a pretty cool picture there. I like that. And Landon Wilson, a 6th grader at Westview Elementary in Neosho, celebrating welcome to the teenage years. 13 years old for Landon Wilson. I got a note here that says he shoots archery, plays soccer and baseball. Well-rounded kid there. Love, Mom.
And we've got Allie Carlskin celebrating number 15 in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Allie.
Annie Westervelt celebrating a birthday in Baxter Springs with her husband and son there in that picture.
And then I just happen to know this young lady. That's my age. She's 35 this year.
Oh.
She might be a little upset about that. We share the same age for about 2 weeks, but that is my wife, Amber. How she has put up with me for so long is a mystery, but a very, very happy birthday to you as you celebrate number 35 today. Number 35.
Amber, Chris listed your age correctly. He did not put 36 on there. I can show you the paper, I'm sure. Happy birthday, Amber. Erica Johnson is 41 in Joplin. Happy birthday, Erica.
And we've got Stacy Kenyon celebrating number 51 over in Hutchinson, Kansas. Happy birthday, Stacy.
And out in Chanute, Mary Bob Godinez is celebrating birthday number 73. Hope you have a wonderful day, Mary Bob.
And Cirilla Cooper celebrating number 74 in Chanute. Happy birthday.
And in Carthage, Jerry Alsdorf turning 85 years old. Happy birthday to Mr. Alsdorf with lots of love from your wife and all of your family.
We've also got Adelina Johnson celebrating. Boy, the party is in the bus on this last part of our list here. Adelina Johnson celebrating in Columbus.
Alice Cooper is also in the bus. Happy birthday, Alice.
As well as Pat Nigman celebrating, you guessed it, in the bus.
And Rosemary Vanata also in Columbus. Happy birthday.
It is a big party in the bus today. We want to celebrate everybody's special day. Tanya, what do they need to do to make sure we can celebrate with them?
That's right. All they have to do is send us an email to birthdayswithans@komnewsnow.com. Send all your details to us through that.
And you can also, of course, go to that web link and submit them electronically if you would like. As a matter of fact, that's what Amber did, because she called me to make sure it went through correctly. So she submitted her own birthday. I don't know what that says, but she wanted to make sure I didn't forget because I forget. So that's what she did. You know what else you can do at our website?
She's gonna think you went in and changed the age on her. I know for a fact she's not 36.
She is not. She absolutely is not. Well, you can also sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club at our website. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a really cool birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So just go over to the KOAMnewsnow.com website and sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today. All right.